To maintain your best shave, we recommend replacing the shaver head every 18 months. Over 18 months, your Braun electric shaver will cut over 6 million hairs, gradually reducing cutting performance. By routinely replacing your shaver head, your shaver will stay at peak performance for years. One small investment, and your shaver is reset to new. Made in Germany. Over 18 months, your Braun shaver head blades cut over 6,000 hairs. Over time, the cutting parts naturally start to wear down. We therefore recommend replacing the shaver head every 18 months, to keep your shave to a few strokes and reset your electric shaver to new. By routinely replacing the shaver head, your shaver body will remain in peak condition for years to come. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. I didn't realize that I could replace the top part of the shaver. This is better than the one it came with. Smooth shaved, practical, easy to clean. It has been only a month since I replaced it. I'm hoping for about 9 to 12 good months, although it said that it should last about 18 months.